Welcome back to another video here on the Quick How channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to change the server size in Roblox Studio. Before we get started, if this video helps you out, consider subscribing to the channel because it really supports the content and helps the channel grow. Alright, so changing the server size in Roblox Studio is actually very simple. The first thing you need to do, of course, is open Roblox Studio on your computer. Once Roblox Studio is open, go to the top left corner of the screen, click on File, and then click on Experience Settings. This will open a new settings window for your experience. Inside this window, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click on the Places option. Here, you'll be able to see information related to your game server, including the maximum number of players allowed in a single server. Now, to actually change the server size, what you need to do is click on the three dots next to your place and then select Configure Place. This will open another page with more detailed settings for your experience. On this page, you'll notice several different options. You can change the name of your experience here if you want, but for this tutorial, the important setting is the Max Players option. This is where you control how many players can join a single server instance of your game. So, for example, if you want your server to allow up to 75 players at the same time, simply type 75 into the Max Players box. After that, scroll down if necessary and click the Save button to apply the changes. You may also notice a few other settings here like Server Fill and Allow Copying. Those settings control different things related to your experience, but they're not really important for what we're covering in this video. The main thing you need is the Max Player setting. And that's basically it. That's how you change the server size in Roblox Studio quickly and easily. Once again, if this video helped you, consider subscribing to the Quick How channel for more quick and helpful Roblox Studio tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.